Hey guys, today we are going to be looking at how to multiply whole numbers by fractions. And the first expression that we're going to look at is 12 times 1/3, or 12 groups of 1/3. I know that multiplication is associative and commutative, meaning that 12 times 1/3 is the same thing as 1/3 times 12. So I'm going to think of this in terms of a strip diagram. So I want 1/3 of a group of 12. So here is 1 whole 12. But I only want 1/3 of it. So I'm going to think of that in terms of breaking it into 3 pieces. And when I share 12 into 3 different pieces, I get 4 is in each part. But since I only want 1/3 of the group, I know that 1/3 of 12 is equal to 4. Now we're going to look at 1/4 times 16. So again, I want 1/4 of 16. So I'm going to take what represents my whole, which is 16. And I want to cut it into fourths. So I'm going to draw another strip diagram and then use that to break it into fourths. And when I have 16 split into 4 different ways, each piece is worth 4. And because I only want 1/4 of the group, I'll only take one of the pieces. So I get that 1/4 of 16 is equal to 4. Okay, let's look at another one. Now I have 3/7 of 14. And now this one's a little different because notice the fraction in the front does not have a numerator of 1 now. So I'm still going to represent my whole, which is the 14, with a big strip diagram like this. But I only want 3/7 of it. So I need to break this strip diagram into 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to actually make those look a little bit neater because they need to be equal parts. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have 14, and I've cut this strip that represents 14 into 7 pieces. So I see that I can divide 14 into those 7 pieces. So each one is worth 2. Now what that means is 1/7 is 2. 2/7 would be 4. But I want 3/7, which would be 6. So 3/7 of 14 is equal to 6. And let's look at one more. All right, now we have 15 times 2/3, which again, because multiplication is commutative, I can say is the same thing as 2/3 times 15, or 2/3 of 15. So I will draw a strip diagram representing 15. But I only want 2/3 of it, so I need to cut it into 3 pieces. And 15 split into those 3 pieces. 5 will go in each. But I only want 2/3 of the group. So I only want 2/3 of that. So I get that 2/3 of 15 is equal to 10. All right, thank you.